In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your ChatGPT app or navigate to the website of ChatGPT. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the bottom left. Navigate to the option settings. Once you're in this page, different options will appear. Click on the option, account. Under this, you're going to find this section of subscription. Here, you'll be able to find your current ChatGPT subscription details. Click on Manage and then select Cancel Subscription. You may see an offer or message encouraging you to stay subscribed. If you still want to continue canceling, simply press No Thanks. After that, ChatGPT will show you the date when your subscription will officially end and your premium features will remain active until that date. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Cancel Subscription one final time and your subscription will be successfully cancelled. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.